Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. If you're a lemon lover, you're going to love this 4-ingredient lemon cheesecake dump cake. It's super easy to make, wonderfully creamy, and bursting with bright lemon flavor. All you need are 4 simple ingredients. 1 large can of lemon pie filling, 1 box of lemon cake mix, cream cheese. The original recipe calls for whipped cream cheese, but I just use the regular tub-style cream cheese I buy from Costco, and 1 stick of butter. No mixer needed, just a bowl, a fork, and a spatula. Start by lightly greasing an 8 by 11 inch baking dish. You can also use a similar size like a 9 by 9 or an 8 by 8 inch pan. Whatever you have will work. Then spread the lemon pie filling evenly inside. I love how quick and easy dump cakes are to make, and you can switch them up with different pie fillings like strawberry, cherry, or blueberry. I also have a delicious strawberry cheesecake dump cake video that I'll link for you to check out. Next, spoon the cream cheese evenly over the top of the pie filling in dollops. If you're using a firmer cream cheese, make sure it's softened so it bakes up nice and creamy. No need to be perfect, those little creamy pockets make it so good. And if you prefer, you can skip the cream cheese and it'll still bake up as a classic lemon dump cake. Now here's my trick for perfect dump cakes every time. Melt your stick of butter in a bowl. I usually do it in the microwave in 30 or 40-second intervals so it doesn't splatter or make a mess. Then add in the dry lemon cake mix and stir it up until it's crumbly. This way you won't end up with any dry cake mix spots. Sprinkle that buttery crumble evenly over the top of your dish. I like to gently pat it down a bit. Then bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's bubbly and golden around the edges. Ovens can vary, so start checking around 35 minutes. In my oven, 35 minutes gives me a perfect golden bubbly finish. You can enjoy it warm with a little whipped cream or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream. But since it has cream cheese, I actually prefer it cooled. I let mine come to room temperature first, then chill it in the refrigerator. So simple, so good, and you only need 4 ingredients. If you try it, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, cozy recipes. My grandsons are definitely lemon lovers. Let's see what they think. What do you guys think? You like it? Is it lemony? Yes. There you have it. Thanks so much for watching.